This video shows how to do the BMW e-chassis 8 HP EGS ISN refresh. Check all the accessories we need. Install the 8 HP interface board. Connect the OBP ICP adapter. Short the CAN resistor on the OBP ICP adapter to the CAN or join terminal. Connect the ACP host. Power up the ACDP host. Open ACDP software. Please confirm the ACDP host is properly connected. Click BMW. Click EGS. Click 8 HP ISN refresh supports e-chassis. Click Clear ISN. Confirm that ACDP device is connected to the EGS module. Click Continue. Confirming that EGS supports clearing ISN and ISN not cleared. Click Continue. Confirm the system programming information. Click Continue. Click Continue to start programming the EGS module. EGS module is being programmed. ISN data is being cleared. Clearing ISN data successfully. Click OK. Click on EGS status. Confirm that ACDP device is connected to the EGS module. Click Continue. Confirm that the ISN has been cleared. Click OK. Click OK. Thank you for watching.